The iPad Pro 2024 has it all: a fantastic OLED display, powerful M4 performance, a thin yet solid design, and unbelievably long battery life. Though some of its peripherals and upgrades are pricey, Apple has delivered its best premium tablet in years. I won't mince words, the iPad Pro 2024 is one of the best tablets I have ever reviewed. Its predecessor, the iPad Pro M2, once reigned supreme as my favorite premium tablet, but the latest model has everything I love about iPad Pro, only enhanced and updated. Right now, it's the premium tablet to beat. So, what makes the new iPad Pro so great? For starters, the Ultra Retina XDR display is the finest OLED panel in my eyes have ever seen. The 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio delivers deep blacks and eye-scorching whites that pair perfectly with the sharp 2360 by 1640 resolution. Everything from videos to games and comics looks stunning. Then we have the thin yet sturdy aluminum chassis that makes the iPad Pro appear more like the iPad Air. Ironically, both 11 and 13-inch iPad Pro models are thinner and lighter than the new iPad Air 2024 tablets, making you question which are the true Air slates in Apple's roster. Thanks to the thinner and lighter design, the iPad Pro is more portable than ever, not to mention more comfortable to hold for long periods. Apple skipped an M3 iPad Pro and dropped an M4 powered beast on us instead. Our testing reveals this beefy processor runs circles around its predecessors. It can run graphically demanding games like Resident Evil 4 or editing apps like Premiere Pro with ease thanks to the M4 chip. There isn't much I don't like about the iPad Pro, however, there are a couple of drawbacks, both related to price. Adding nano texture glass at checkout costs an additional $100 and requires an upgrade to 1TB of storage, which ups the cost to $1,699 for the 11-inch Pro and $1,999 for the 13-inch model. And if you want the updated Apple Magic Keyboard to go with it, you will need to plunk down an additional $299 or $349 depending on the iPad Pro size. Costly add-ons and peripherals aside, the iPad Pro more than delivers. Find out more in my full review. The iPad Pro impresses thanks to its slim design, outstanding OLED display, powerful performance, epic battery life, and repositioned front camera. Apple managed to one-up its excellent predecessor with this beast of tablet. Visually, the new tablet isn't a radical departure from its predecessor. It's a solid piece of aluminum featuring a large display and thin profile. However, holding the tablet reveals that you are dealing with an all-new device. The 11 and 13-inch iPad Pro are thinner and lighter than their predecessors and the new iPad Air tablet. The size and weight differences might not look like much on paper, but they make a huge difference in the real world. For instance, I constantly have to reposition my hands when reading comics on the old 12.9-inch iPad Pro because the big tablet is so cumbersome to hold. That's no longer the case since the new tablet is easier to hold over longer periods. Speaking about changing positions, the tablet's front camera is now landscape oriented instead of portrait oriented. Most people hold tablets in this position, so it's great that Apple finally moved the front camera. This makes participating in video calls, taking selfies, and using Face ID to unlock the iPad Pro feel more intuitive. I'm a fan of this repositioned front camera. Like the previous model, the new iPad Pro only has a single USB-C port. That's a bummer, but not a deal breaker. The iPad Pro 2024 is an exceptional tablet. Its vivid OLED display is a marvel to behold, and the new thin and light design makes it more portable than ever. I am also a fan of its speedy M4 powered performance and astonishing battery life. Sure, its peripherals are expensive, but as a device, the iPad Pro has everything you could ever want from a tablet. The only loose thread is that iPad Pro's AI capabilities. This has been a sticking point for me whenever I review an AI computer since there just aren't many applications that take advantage of a chip's NPU in any appreciable way. Apple says the M4 and its onboard neural engine NPU is an absolute powerhouse for AI, but I have yet to see that. Hopefully, the company will go into further detail during WWDC 2024. Even if the iPad Pro never becomes an AI powerhouse, it's still an incredible tablet for people who want a powerful slate with a gorgeous OLED display. The iPad Pro has set a standard for all premium tablets to follow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.